Hi guys, this is Jonathan from jtballroom and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is on the natural turn in the waltz. And we're going straight into demonstrating as a couple this figure. It is a right turning figure consisting of 3 steps. We are choosing to dance 3 preparation steps before our natural turn, starting with the right foot forward for the man and left foot back for the lady. There is 3/8 of a turn to the right here for both man and lady. That is our first preparation step, our second and our third, and now our natural turn 1, 2, 3. One more time with the timing of all figures. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the man dancing solo, you can see our wind up through our preparation and then unwinding to the white throughout the figure. And again from another angle. And one more time. You can notice as well that there is a sway to the right throughout the figure. Now the footwork, using inside edge for our preparation steps, and heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. And one more time from another angle, inside edge of left foot, inside edge of right foot, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. Making sure to close your feet nicely at the end of the natural turn. Now in slow motion you can see the consistent foot pressure and sliding of the feet. Nice big steps and closing the feet at the end of the figure. Now Tilsa will demonstrate the lady's natural turn. And 1, 2, 3. Again, the lady will turn 3/8 to the right. Commencing backing diagonal wall and finishing facing line of dance. To complement the man's sway to the right, the lady will be swaying to the left, as you can see now. Now for the lady's footwork, inside edge of foot for the side steps, and toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Again from another angle, and toe, heel, toe, closing the feet and toe, heel.